Alright guys, welcome to another tutorial. As you all know, my name is TC and we will just continue to a new tutorial. So we're going to create a very good social media graphic for Instagram, and just as you predicted, just as you all know, it's going to be an interesting one. So let me leave it like that. So I'm going to import my shapes. This is giving me a tough time. I'll just import some shapes from an already made work. Okay, so I want a shape. Good. Import objects and bring in that one. So I don't want problems, so I'm just going to make use of what I have. So duplicate. Take it close, I can now move it. I can click the tool. Now I need to remove it. It's not as tall as I want, so I'm gonna duplicate this one and then I'll put it side by side. Good. Now duplicate this same, make it short. This one too. So now you're going to place it and make sure the alignment is properly. It's properly aligned. Okay. Move on. This one to move. Now we're going to add a picture there that will remove background from remove.bg. So all I have to do is to locate the picture that I want to add. So this is it. I'm going to add that, and then this is another one. I'm going to add it. Going to add another picture here, this one. I added the picture directly instead of the crop, so I'm going to add it like that. So this one, the background is going to be this, and then background also is going to be the shirt. Good. Now you can see that this has taken a good shape. The design is now falling into what I want. So I'm just gonna type here and then write wow. Just write wow, and then I'll change it to impact. I don't like the impact, so I'm going to change it to Franklin got it. So just gonna say wow, and now duplicate it. So I'm just gonna say yes. So I'm going to say yes, this one is going with this color, while you go with the opposite. Now let's go. So we said your message. message to your audience here. Good. Okay. Center alignment. White. Line center of content. Okay, let me make it something, a message. Wow, yes. Center, and I love this kind thing would go well with me here. Oh no, I'll go with Times New Roman. I don't have. Wow. Okay, I'll go with Montserrat. Then I'll reduce the space. I don't like that. Make it like this. I still like this one. So and then take this one to here, and you can see that, my friend, your graphic is complete. You can decide to change this one to this yellow, and then your start now stand out. Start now. Okay, so guys, your graphic is complete. So thank you guys, have a nice time. Bye bye.